Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time of watching our videos, kindly consider subscribing to our channel for more videos. Wow, this is beautiful, very easy. This one you don't need mortar, you don't need strength to be pounding. You just put it on the machine will blend the two, the cassava, the cooked cassava and plantain. Wow, I love it. I love this. Very nice. Viewers, tell us what you think about this video in the comment section. Do you prefer this method or using the mortar to pound the fufu? This is Ghana fufu. It's a lovely way of preparing fufu. I hope you enjoy it. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this video. Thank you. Subscribe.